Hello sir, I hope you are fine and I am also fine. Myself Lojan Paudel here in SIT Pune studying AML from our most handsome dashing personality Mr. Moir Gaikwad sir. Today we are Today I am here to make a beautiful video on Power BI in collaboration with SIT Pune, where I am just pursuing my career in BTech in Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning. Without any delay, let's go. Here you can see the dataset that was provided to us by our respected sir. Here you can see that we have got a lots of field data, uses of energy in kilowatt hour, lagging current, reactive power, leading current, reactive power, CO2 emission, lagging current power factor, leading current power factor, and NSM weekdays, days of week, load type. Through this dataset that provided by our sir, we are going to make such a beautiful dashboard. Uh, that The workshop for this was given to us by our respected sir on the before the day before on the previous Saturday. At first, we must know what is Power BI and why we are making this dashboard. Power BI is a data visualization tool that is generally used by data analyst to for analysis of the data of ruthless and emotionless data to make such a wonderful dashboard and to extract the valuable information from those data which are just seem unfamiliar and random to general general public, but that we can bring such a valuable outcomes from this meaningless data. But using Power BI and such a wonderful dashboard, we can conclude something and provide valuable essence to such a company. Just like we can see that, let us suppose we work in a electricity authority company or electric authority. Here you can see that in the plot between the day week and some and energy uses. From this data we can conclude that in Monday there is the maximum consumption of the energy and in Sunday there is minimum. From this we can conclude that it is we can conclude that by providing less energy in Sunday and more and storing that energy and providing that energy in Monday will help um, help to store and conserve the energy for future. And we have make the area graph for the energy consumption versus reactive power. Here you can see that how beautiful it's look. The How beautiful it's look, and we can easily understand the relationship between energy consumption and reactive power. Similarly, we have make a sidebar sidebar graph. Here, let us zoom in. In the month of January, there is minimum consumption of energy, and here in the month of August, there is the maximum consumption of energy. And here you can see that it's the dynamic. If the data gets changed, it's the plots get change itself and the dashboard also gets changed itself, means that is dynamic. We don't have to manually plot the data for different data set, it gets changed automatically. That's the advantage of using Power BI. Energy consumption in weekdays. Here you can see that there is a maximum energy consumption in weekdays and minimum in weekends. It's obvious. I have used pie chart to make this, and here you can see that minimum lagging current and maximum lagging current. We also don't know what that means, but that was also given in our data set. Here you can see that we can extract valuable information from those things which we also don't know. And there is lagging power factor and leading leading power factor. We have used cards to plot this, and in the upper one minimum lagging current and maximum lagging current we have used Gauss graph. And there is the last one we have made, let me zoom it, we have made a line graph. We have used line graph to visualize the relationship between the energy uses and load. Here you can see that there is maximum energy uses in maximum load, minimum in and average in medium load, and light minimum in light load. It means that in order to run the heavy machine we require the large energy, and in order to just bulb a simple LED or just bulb we need little energy. Through this we can conclude that using Power BI we can make the plots that are useful to extract the valuable information. It's not useful, you may consider it useless, but to the whom it is concerned, it is very useful to them. Before this we used to use MS Excel. In MS Excel the data visualization and making such a wonderful dashboard is slightly complicated and time consuming. So they have made a software just that is Power BI to make the data visualization easily. It is especially for the data analyst, AI engineer, ML engineer who work with large amount of data. Here you can see there are various tools through which you can make this. We have used a lot. It's not possible to explain all of these in this one video, so we will come back with next another videos. Up to that, like, comment and subscribe to our channel, and thank you our respected Moir sir for providing such golden opportunity to express